Welcome back, students. In this class we study pair of linear equation in two variables, chapter 3, exercise 3.6. In the previous class we solved first question, first three problems. In this class we'll solve the fourth problem. So these are the two equations given. I have just taken this equation. We have to simplify these two equations. So we've taken the first equation and divided both the sides by xy. So then we have to split this, and again each should be divided by this xy. So I am getting cx. Here xy cancels, here xx cancels, here yy cancel. We are getting 6y plus 3 by 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6 as the first equation. Now we'll take the second equation, that is 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. This also same thing, divide by xy. So dividing by xy means these two cancels. So here split this 2x by xy plus 4y by xy. So divide, now xx cancels, yy cancel. We can write as, that is 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to how much? Is equal to 5 is the answer. So this is the second equation. Now we have to assume that is 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n. We'll put in the above equation. So therefore we'll substitute in the first equation 6 by n plus 3 by m is equal to 6. This will be the first equation, and the next one is this one. Therefore 2n plus 4m is equal to 5. This will be the second equation. So we got the two equations here. Now after this we have to, next step is to multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. So we have to multiply. See, I'll just write 6n plus 3m is equal to 6 into 4, then 2n plus 4m is equal to 5 into 3. So write down the result will be, that is 24n plus 12m is equal to 24. Then this will become 6n plus 12m is equal to 15. So now next step is we have to subtract, that is equation 2 minus equation 1. So now we'll do here only so put minus sign here, minus and minus sign. So these two cancels. Then we get 24 minus 6 will become 18n, which is equal to 9. Therefore n is equal to 9 by 18. 9 ones are 9 twos are, n we get is 1 by 2. So after this we'll just next continue, that is substitute n is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. Therefore what is equation 1 here? That is 6n plus 12, 6n plus 3m is equal to 6. Now we'll put n is equal to 1 by 2 here. Therefore 1 by 2 plus 3m is equal to 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are, then we get 3 plus 3m is equal to 6. Therefore 3 m is equal to 6 minus 3. Therefore, m is equal to 3. Then m is equal to 3 by 3. Cancel, we get 1 as m. So now next step is substitute m is equal to 1 in x. 1 by x is equal to m. Therefore, so substitute 1 by x is equal to 1. Then cross multiply this. After cross multiplying, we get x is equal to 1. Next step is substitute n is equal to 1 by 2 in 1 by y is equal to n. So here what happens? Therefore 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. After cross multiplying, we get y is equal to 2. Therefore finally we get, that is, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So this is the solution for this. That is the fourth problem. We move on to the fifth one. So fifth problem is given as both the equation are written here. Sorry, this one is first sixth problem I solved. Now we move on to the seventh. Sixth problem we finished. We move on to the seventh one. Seventh one is the problem. This one is given. So we have to simplify here also, same thing. We have to simplify the above equation. So first step is assume, or we can write let 1 by, here 1 by x plus y is there in the question. So 1 by x is equal to m, and then 1 by x minus y is equal to n will take here. So we'll substitute this here in the above equation. Substitute in above equations. So what happens here? We'll substitute here. This becomes 10m plus 2n is equal to 4 and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. So this is the equations we are getting. So next step is multiply, give this equation as 1 and this one as 2. Then multiply. So next step is to multiply equation 1 into 5 and equation 2 into 2. So what happens now? Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. So therefore we get 50m plus 10n is equal to 20. Next equation is 30m plus minus 10n is equal to minus 4. So now this is the equation. Next step is to add equation 1 plus equation 2. So these are the equation 1 and 2. So we have to add, or we can take it as this one as 3, equation 3 and equation 4. So here we'll change it as 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. Now what happens? This cancels. We get 80m is equal to 20 minus 4 will become 16. Therefore m is equal to 16 by 80. This one is 16 ones are 16 5s are, we are getting 1 by 5. So after this, what we have to do? Substitute m is equal to 1 by 5 in equation 1. Therefore, what is equation 1 here? That is 50 or we can say equation 1 is also okay. Equation 1 only I will take. What is equation 1 is 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. So this is equation 1. So what happens? 10 into m is 1 by 5 plus 2n is equal to 4. This one 5 ones are 5 twos are. Then we get 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore 2n is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore 2n is equal to 2. Then n is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore what we getting? We are getting n as 1. Now we have to substitute how much? That is m is equal to 1 by 5 in, that is 1 by x plus y is equal to m. Therefore 1 by x plus y is equal to how much? 1 by 5. Cross multiply this, we'll get x plus y is equal to 5. So give this equation as equation 5. So next is substitute n is equal to 1 in 1 by x minus y is equal to n. So after this we have 1 by x minus y is equal to how much? N is 1. Cross multiply this, how much we get? That is x minus y is equal to 1. So this will be the sixth equation. So we finished this. Now we have to take these two equations and find out, that is equation 5, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now add equation, that is this one is how much? Fifth equation. This one is sixth equation. Add equation 5 and equation 6. So adding these two equations, what we get? Add this, x cancels, then we get how much? 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are, x is equal to 3 we are getting. So next step is, after this put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So x is equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 5. Equation 5 is x plus y is equal to 5. Then what happens? X we are getting, that is 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore how much we are getting? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to, finally we'll write x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the answer. So this is the solution for which one? That is 7th problem in the exercise 3.6. So we'll continue the next one, that is the 8th problem. So in the 8th problem, the two equations are given here. See, the two equations is, so we'll just write, assume, same thing as the previous problem. Assume is equal, that is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to how much? M, and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to n. So now we have to substitute in the above equation. So what happens? So the above equation becomes how much? That is m plus n is equal to 3 by 4. This becomes, again we have to cross multiply this and simplify. We'll get 3m plus 4n is equal to 3. This is the first equation. Now in this second equation we have to substitute this. This will become 1 by 2 into m is equal minus 1 by 2 into n is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we have to just simplify this. We have to take, so cross multiply this, we'll get 2m by 2 minus 2n by 2 is equal to, again 2 will go this side, means 2 by 8. Simplify all this, 2 cancels, 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So finally what we get, m minus n is equal to minus 1 by 4. Again cross multiply this, we'll get 4m minus 4n is equal to 1. Minus 1 we are getting. So this is the second equation. So simplifying this, see, 1 by 2 on cross multiply, then 2 cancels, here also denominator goes to numerator, cancel, we get m minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 by 4. Again cross multiply this, we'll get the second equation. So 2 equations we got now. Now next step is add equation 1 plus equation 2. Add equation 1 plus equation 2. So 3m plus 4n is equal to 3. 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. So this cancels, that is 4n plus 4n minus 4n cancels. Now this becomes, sorry I made a mistake, this cross multiply, this is 4. I have written 3. So this is 4 here, 4m. So this is 4. So this one cancels, then we get 8m is equal to, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. M is equal to 2 by 8 we'll get, therefore m is 1 by 4. So this is the m by 4. Next step what we have to do is substitute m is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. See what is equation 1? Equation 1 is 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. Now 4 is into 1 by 4 plus 4n, 4 cancels, is equal to 3. Therefore 1 plus 4n is equal to 3. 4n is equal to 3 minus 1. Therefore 4n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 by 4. Therefore we get 1 by 2. Therefore m is equal to, so m is equal to 1 by 4 and n is equal to 1 by 2 we are getting. So next step is m and n we got. Now we have to substitute this. So substitute m is equal to 1 by 4 in 1 by 3x plus y is equal to m. Therefore what we get, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply this, so we get 3x plus 4y is equal to 4. So we got this one, name it as equation 3. So this is the equation 3. Next, substitute n is equal to 1 by 2 in 1 by 3x minus y is equal to n. Therefore 1 by 3x minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, we get that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. So give this equation as 4. So now after getting these two, equation 3 and 4, now we have to add. Next step is add equation 3 plus equation 2 and equation 3 and 4. So what happens? We have 3x plus y is equal to 4. Then 3x minus y is equal to 2. Here y cancel. How much we get? That is 6x is equal to 6x we'll get. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 6 cancel. Then we get x as 1. So now after this, therefore substitute x is equal to 1 in equation how much? 3. So 3, what happens? Equation 3, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Therefore 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So what happens? 3 plus y is equal to 4. Then y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore 4 minus 3 will become 1. Finally we get, therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So what is the solution here? See, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. This is completes the complete exercise 3.6. All 8 problems we solved in this class. We solved, that is 6th, 7th and 8th problem. If you have any doubt, comment me. Subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.